The Delhi government versus the LG once again, and now the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has suspended the Delhi Health Minister's officer on special duty, that is the OSD. The LG office has said mulling disciplinary action, suspension for the illegal nursing home registration. Remember, yesterday the LG had ordered a special probe into the fire that broke out in a hospital with infants, in a baby hospital, in which 7 infants had died. The LG office had said fire at baby center showed negligence, and they said it showed a lack of ministerial oversight. Well, let's go across to Ishika now for more. Ishika, give us more details. This is yesterday was when that special investigation or special probe was announced, and is this the first action we're seeing after that announcement?
Well, yes, Gargi, as you rightly pointed out, we have seen that LG, in fact, has become very active since yesterday in this, Delhi fire tragedy matter. In fact, we did see that yesterday Lieutenant Governor ordered a special probe into this entire issue as to how many nursing homes are running in Delhi without proper registration. And today, on the approval of Lieutenant Governor, the OSD to the Health Minister, Dr. Arun Das, has been suspended with immediate effect. Now, he has been suspended, in regards with the illegal registration of nursing homes here in the national capital. Now, in fact, a complaint was received regarding the Jyoti nursing home, whose in fact, registration was cancelled in November 2018 itself. And in fact, even after that was running here, and also in fact, the if we talk about the renewal was pending, and here the role of Dr. Arun Das was very, very major. Because of that, this decision has now been taken. In fact, what we are also getting to know at this point of time is that it has also been known that here in the recent fire tragedy, the massive fire tragedy that took place in Vivek Vihar, where 7 in fact lost their life, it has also been pointed out that Arun Das had allowed the registration of the nursing home without bothering to ascertain the pending litigation status as well as undertaking given by the nursing home with respect to the various statutory compliances, including fire safety. So in fact, here in the information that is coming now, that is certainly very shocking regarding the role of Dr. Arun Das, especially linked to the registration of the nursing home even in Vivek Vihar, where this massive fire tragedy happened. So certainly it is a very big action that has been taken by the Lieutenant Governor. We still await the response of the Delhi Health Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj over this. Over to you.